Hello you guys. So today I thought let's have all the fall vibes today. I'm gonna do a little fall vlog today. I keep wondering, oh, should I film today? I really have wanted to film today. Look I've got my fall scrunchie, my plaid shirt. I am so ready for this video, but it is so dark and gloomy and rainy. But it's supposed to rain all week here in Michigan. It is totally feeling like fall though. All of the leaves have changed. We actually cook on the grill a lot in the summer, and now that it's been starting to get a little bit chillier here in Michigan and really starting to feel like fall, I have been much more into cooking inside, making those like warm home cooked meals. That leads me to share our sponsor for today, which is Our Place, and I'm going to share with you guys. This is my pan from Our Place. This is called the Always Pan. It actually comes in a few different colors. I chose this really pretty like tan neutral color. I just felt like it sort of went best with my kitchen. But it does come in like some other really pretty colors too. I don't know if this light is helping or making it worse. Here is my Always Pan. Look at how beautiful it is, first of all. I'm obsessed with just how gorgeous this pan is. I've never seen a pan this pretty, honestly. So what is so awesome about it, it's non-toxic, it's non-stick, and it actually replaces 8 traditional pieces of cookware. Especially for me, I have a smaller kitchen. I really don't have a ton of extra room for all of these pans and all these extra lids and all that stuff. This replaces all of it right here. It's actually a really deep pan, so I can even boil pasta in this pan. I've been using it the past few weeks and I'm obsessed with it. I've literally just been making everything in here. You can steam veggies. Look at the spatula. I always love a nice wood spatula, but this actually fits perfectly right here. And this doesn't get hot or anything. But look at how deep this is and pretty. It honestly still looks in perfect condition even though I've been using it like crazy. I actually think it just looks really beautiful sitting on my stove too, because I just think it's so pretty. So I really don't even need a cabinet for it because I've been using it every day since I got it, and it looks really pretty sitting out. So because this video is all about the fall vibes, I found a recipe on Pinterest that I'm going to make tonight. It's like a 1-pan meal and it is so fall. It has apples, a sweet potato, I think it has onion maybe, it's chicken, broccoli. It's very fall. Make sure to watch to the end of the video so you can see that fun little meal. I'll also link it down below in the description box. I also wanted to share with you guys what else I picked out from Our Place. I picked out these really cool bowls. They look super modern and just so awesome. I love them. This is what they look like. They stack perfectly and just look like so simple and just awesome. So I love these bowls. These come in a couple different colors as well. And then I also picked out the matching plates, which look like this. Super cool. And I love that they have like a big lip on them too for food, so it doesn't just like slide off the plate or anything. So these actually stack really nicely as well. Plates and the pan come with like a little sponge too, and I've been using that on the pan like all the time because I've been using it so much, and literally I just need to wipe it really quick. Like, it's the best non-stick pan I've ever used. I just wipe it really quick with the sponge and it's pretty much done. Anyway, thank you to Our Place for sponsoring today's video. Like I said, I'm going to share with you guys a dinner that I'm making later tonight that is very fall inspired, and I'm going to have a coupon code down below in the description box for you guys, as well as a link to the pan and the dishes and everything, so you guys can check it all out for yourself. But anyway, I'm gonna move along with this fall vlog today. So some things that I wanted to do: I need to get out my fall like front porch rug. I also want to get out, I have like a really pretty fall wreath that I got from like TJ Maxx or Home Goods. I think I got it a couple years ago, but I love it so much. I just put that same one out every single year. I'm definitely being more minimalist with my fall home decor this year. If you guys have not picked up on this before in any of my other videos, if you've seen my other videos before, I really don't like a lot of clutter and I like to keep things really simple. I've had a hard time even like hanging things up on our walls in our house because I really do just like simple and plain. I feel like my mind gets a little cluttered when there's like clutter. Now Christmas, I'm totally fine with doing that. And I am still gonna go all out for Christmas this year. Christmas stuff doesn't bug me as much. And I think it's because like I just get so into the Christmas spirit that it's just like a warm and cozy feeling. So I wanna do a little bit of fall stuff. All that to say, just a little bit of fall stuff, nothing too much because my head is already on Christmas. Okay, it is like super rainy and just like kind of gross out today. But look at how good my hydrangeas look. They're so pretty. So I need to change my wreath right here. But this is the mum that I have out here. Let's see. It's right here. I don't have shoes on, so I didn't want to come out here. But this is the mum that I have. I love the color of it, that purpley color, and they only had one the day that I got that, so I decided just to kind of put it out here in the landscaping instead of like having it on my porch, because I do have two of those planters. But yeah, so I think I'm just gonna put my fall rug out, my fall wreath, and I might get some pumpkins. I actually just took my other wreath down and put the other one up, and then I put out my give thanks rug. So this is from Sam's Club. I showed this a couple of years ago. This is a couple years old. It's still in pretty good shape. It's not perfect. I just got it out of the basement. It'd probably be good to like vacuum it or something, but I think it's really cute. Also, I was thinking about, I just found a, I was looking on Amazon, like a gray and white checkered rug. So I thought about maybe layering and getting that to put under it. And then this is the wreath that I also got a couple years ago. This is still in great condition. I love the velvet little pumpkins on it. It's just like super neutral and pretty. And yeah, so I got to get rid of that rug or just put it in the basement or something for now. But it is raining out right now, so I think because I'm not doing the planters with the mums up there or anything, I might just get like a few pumpkins or something to put up here. Nothing too crazy. And then yeah, this is my little mum that I have in the landscaping. But I love my hydrangeas. They look so pretty. So anyway, very simple. And yeah, I gotta figure out the pumpkin situation. So you guys can see my kitchen is not very big. So this pan is literally perfect for me. I just changed my clothes because I'm going to go out and I'm going to go on the hunt for some pumpkins. I was also thinking it might be really nice to have a little flower arrangement, like right here on the counter, like where I have the plates sitting right now. So I maybe wanted to pick out like some fun fall flowers and put together like a pretty arrangement or something to have out on the counter. I also need to explain the hair situation. First off, it is past the point of return. It's past the point of even a little dry shampoo. It really just needs to be washed. So, and I've also been out in the rain all day, like with the dogs, letting them in and out. So that's kind of what's going on with that. I'm not loving my hair today, so I just thought I would kind of share that. Please, nobody make fun of me. I've also been doing this thing lately where I've been cutting the bottoms of all of my sweatshirts. I just like them that way. I don't know, I think it's like cute cut at the bottom. But yeah, it might not be cold where you guys are. My camera's like completely crooked. Might not be cold yet where you guys are, but it is kind of chilly here in Michigan now. And that's why I had to change into a sweatshirt, because my other shirt is like long and it would have looked weird with my raincoat. And I wanted a hood. So I'm gonna run out. Wish me luck. Hopefully I find some adorable things. And then I was also thinking over here, like the fireplace and everything. For summer, I've had this plant sitting here because we never use the fireplace. But I've actually already turned on the fireplace a couple of times. So I'm thinking I need to maybe put my little lanterns back over here. I had them out last year, and then maybe like a basket with blankets or something instead of the plant. So that's what I was kind of thinking for there. He knows I'm leaving. He gets very sad. I went to this special place to get pumpkins, thinking they would have like a lot of wonderful pumpkins. I really only wanted white. They only had like one white one, and it doesn't even have the stem on it. And then I got that pale orange one, which I do love that one. I think I'm gonna stack those two because that's how it was sitting in the store. But I would like to find one more white pumpkin somewhere. So we will see. And now I'm off to get some flowers for a pretty flower arrangement. Wish me luck. So this is basically all I've come up with for this year. So I really did want to get more pumpkins, and I feel like it does kind of look a little bit bare over here. But they had like no white ones, and I really wanted white. So this is just what it's gonna look like for now. And honestly, these pumpkins were like $8 each, and I'm like, that's really expensive. I wasn't gonna spend like $100 on pumpkins today. So anyway, I think it just kind of looks cute like this. And then I have my mom over here. My hydrangeas look good. So I might honestly just kind of leave it like this. Let me show you guys, because I wanted to get a bunch of flowers and make my own flower arrangement. But then I found these, and it was only $12.99 for this humongous bundle. So I'm really excited about these. I just thought they were really pretty, and they look so fall. So I'm gonna put these in some water, but I was like, $12.99 for this huge thing of flowers? Like, that's really good. So I'm excited about those. I actually was like grabbing a bunch of flowers to do my own flower arrangement, and I had flowers very similar to these, and it was like adding up. It was gonna be like probably $50, and I probably could have made like 3 different flower arrangements with it. But this is good. I really just wanted one for the kitchen counter, so this will be perfect. It's the next day. I left you guys hanging yesterday. I was going to make my delicious dinner, and then I got sidetracked making homemade dog food for a really long time. And then I never shared with you guys my flower arrangement. So I shared with you guys that this was only like $12.99. And look at how pretty it is. It's like so fall. If you live, I think Meyer is it only in Michigan? But these were from Meyer. $12.99. Like, they're so cool. Like, some of them have like a really cool texture to them. Like some of these, I don't know, they're just so fun. Love them. And then I've just been drinking a cup of coffee, and then I got my white pumpkin candle out. I love this candle. It's like my favorite candle ever. So we are feeling the fall vibes here right now. So I decided I'm going to make that dinner tonight instead. And then I wanted to show you guys over here. Don't mind all the blankets I keep on the couch so the dogs don't destroy it. So over here, I actually had my fireplace on this morning. I showed you guys I just had a little plant over here, and I switched it over to like cold weather. Yeah, because I don't think that's good for the plant to be by the heat and stuff. And honestly, this stuff was out here last year. It never caught on fire, so I think we're good. So these lanterns are from Target. They probably need to be dusted, and I need to change the batteries in those little candles. This basket, I got it last year at Home Goods. I don't know, I just have like this cozy knit little pillow. This is from Bed Bath & Beyond. last year. And then this little velvet pillows from Target last year. This little knit blanket. So I just think it looks so cozy and so fall. So I love that. And this is sort of an update on my bookshelves because I know a lot of you like always ask me about my bookshelves. And I've never really gotten them exactly how I want them or anything. But this is just what I have going on for now. And I don't hate it. So yeah, just super cozy and cute. I'm really excited about this recipe because I'm sort of feeling like a gourmet chef and I'm totally not. So this is what I'm making. This is a 1-pan meal is what it was called on Pinterest. So I have onion, broccoli, and sweet potato in here. And then I did turkey bacon. The recipe didn't necessarily call for turkey bacon, just regular bacon and chicken that I already made. So I just made that in the pan and then I transferred it over there. And now I have this. And then over here I have my apples. And those are going to go in shortly with some cinnamon and some spices. So I am so excited. This is definitely not a recipe I would typically do. Or this isn't something that I would just like make up on my own. I would definitely have to follow a recipe to like do something like this. This is different than a lot of other things I typically make. This is what it looks like. I think we're about done. So I'm gonna leave the recipe down below. I'll leave it linked. I mean, I think it looks good. It did call for cinnamon and I added cinnamon and then after that I was like, oh no, I'm scared I'm not gonna like it now. So we'll see. It's still kind of early for dinner. It's like 4:50 right now. Joshua's not even home from work yet. But I think I'm still just gonna give it a little try. And I'm going to use the new plate. I think we got a little bit of everything in there. I feel like these plates make everything look so professional. Sorry if you guys can hear my dryer in the background. Whoa, this is still like really hot. Okay, it just looks so beautiful though. I feel like I don't make things this beautiful normally. Hi dude. What, you think this is for you? He never does this with my food. What? You think I made this for you? Because I didn't. Oh my goodness, you're so cute though. Okay. Chicken first. Whoa. The chicken's really good. Whoa. This might be my favorite thing I've ever made. Now next time, I think I could do a little less cinnamon. I'm not a huge cinnamon person. Sorry if you guys can see the steam, but it's very, very good. And I like the apple too. I've never made anything with apples in it, I don't think. It's very yummy and very different and very fall. I think that's gonna complete this vlog. I hope that you guys liked it and it just kind of got you in the fall spirit. So make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy this casual vlog. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. Comment down below, let me know what you thought. But I hope you guys are doing really well. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you really soon in my next video.